Not so happy Monday, everyone. What is going on? Did you survive? We had 2.15 plus billion dollars in liquidation the last 24 hours. It's bigger than the collapse of the FTX exchange, bigger than COVID. For God's sakes, what the heck is happening in crypto right now? Is the bull market invalidated? Where we are standing in crypto, and what's the road moving forward? All of that in today's show. Let's get going, guys. It's been absolutely horrible last 48 hours for altcoins that cascaded down in liquidation event that was brutal. I mean, we're talking about $2.18 billion liquidated in just 24 hours, more liquidation in both the COVID crash and the FTX implosion. In the bull market, it is brutal, right? We've not seen months of February post halving year ever perform poorly, right? Which we are right now. Just started February, of course. We can still have an amazing February, but look at this. Bitcoin cascaded down all the way to $91,600, just straight going down. If you pay closer attention to this, and you see it actually happened quite quickly over here, within a matter of couple of minutes. I mean, look at this. Here's 94k, and then 92k, then 91,600. Ethereum went down to where is this 1 minute chart? Look, $2,120. This is, I mean, what is this? What is this? Just trade in 3 minutes from 2,400 to $2,120. I'll tell you what it is. It's a huge manipulation by the whales. It's huge manipulation over the weekends. It started with Trump making those tariffs on China, Mexico, and Canada, 25% tariffs, which cascaded down. Like, started a trade war, and the other three countries are retaliating. Crypto market is open 24/7. The stock markets were closed, and I think this whole thing is just to to scare the retail investors out of their coins into the hands of the institutional investors, the big institutions, the whales who want to accumulate these coins cheaper. That's how I see it. But of course, we're seeing absolutely horrible cascading of liquidations happen for those that are playing leverage. If you're in spot, you should be fine. Of course, everyone in crypto is feeling the pain today. Massive pain in the market, for everyone involved, for everyone who is holding any crypto. Everything is down majorly. Solana went down to 180. XRP, let's take a look at XRP. XRP went to $1.77. Yeah, this is brutal. Look at this. Look at this week over here. This is a cash grab. This is a liquidation. And this is when the market makers of Binance, right, they're selling massively, liquidating, shaking out the people, wiping them out, wiping them of their positions, and now the market is ripe to go back up again, like it always does in a bull market. We're still in a bull market, yeah. But we've seen some massive amounts of sell-off, massive amounts of sell-offs. Bitcoin dominance shooting up. Let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance over here. Look at this spike into 64.3%. I mean, what is that? What is that? It's insane. It is insane. Altcoins got smacked. If you look at the others, yeah, it's below this trend line. It broke down. Total 3. Well, it went to this support of 770 billion, going up right now. So if you have the money to buy the dip, of course, it is great to buy the dip, but maybe you already bought the dip, right? You bought the dip before, and it just kept dipping. I mean, look at Pepe. Pepe got smacked down from the up of 28. It got down 70%. It feels like a bear market. Honestly, is the vibes of a bear market. The last couple of days, down 43%. And if you look like for 1-2 weeks, it was down 60%, 61%. Yeah, very, very big, big smack to the downside. What can I say? Fear and greed index, it's of course funny, -14, but that's how it feels. That's how it feels right now. Michael Saylor is talking about, hey, soon every billionaire will buy Bitcoin, $1 billion of Bitcoin. The supply shock will be so great that we'll stop measuring. And times like this, some people give up and they don't come back to crypto. They say it's not for me, it's too volatile, it's too risky, etc., etc. But those that persevere, right, they're gonna be the big winners, because crypto, like Ethereum, can go from here to $7,000-8,000. Imagine looking back, you could have bought Ethereum at 2,200 or 2,500, where it is trading right now, and you didn't do it because you were scared, or maybe you don't have the capital to do it, which I understand. In this case, you need to survive this dip. I hope you're not trading with leverage. Longing. Right now, the markets are extremely volatile. Don't do shorts, don't do longs, because it is extremely risky. The market is very fearful right now. Let's take a look at fear at CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap. Yeah, fear and greed is 39. 39. It's brutal. We are in fear right now. Not extreme fear. Not extreme fear. Like it was in August 2024, but we are in fear mode. Firm fear mode. And when there is a fear, you buy in a fear. You sell in the greed, right? We were in a period of extreme greed in November, after the President Trump won. Ethereum went all the way to $4,000. Market was greedy. $4,000. You could have sold. Solid resistance from the March 2024 on Ethereum, for example. But if you sold and held on to your cash, now you are smiling. Smiling all the way to the bank, because you have the capital to buy the dip, right? But it's brutal out there. Let's see, Trump coin capitulated to $16. Yeah, look at this. Look at this, from $69 to $16. It is insane. Melania coin, even worse. His wife. Look at the coins that are holding strong. Cardano. See, TRX. TRX is, wow, TRX is good. TRX is holding very well. It's a proper capitulation across the board. It's proper capitulation. In the markets, proper capitulation. We are still in the bull market. Historically, post-halving years, February has been an amazing month. Q1 has been an amazing quarter. Yeah, but it was brutal. The last 48 hours for the altcoins. It is brutal. So I don't know what to tell you more than that. As it is market manipulation, it's gonna come back. Hold strong if you can buy more. Yeah, we're gonna survive this. We're gonna survive this together. Everything is going to be back to new all-time highs. You'll see. And this can be one of the biggest opportunities, biggest gifts, if you take advantage of it. Of course, right now, don't panic, sell. The biggest bear trap of this cycle. They did it 2017, 2021, and now 2025. Every major bull run had a final bear trap before sending it. You're either getting shaken out or positioned for the biggest move yet. Right? And remember, Bitcoin price dipped in 2017 multiple times, 38%. Here's the thing, like Bitcoin is still in the range. It is still in the range between 91K and 108K. It is still in the range. It's not even broken the range. Not even an 85K, which is where the moving average is. It's the altcoins that got capitulated. Look at this. Brutal. Ethereum went below the level that you've seen in August 2024 when we had this dump. Massive dump also in Ethereum. Not nice at all. Well, that's my update for you today. I don't want to sound too depressing because it's one of those days that you are either gonna put yourself in motions and like, I'm gonna persevere, I'm gonna stick to it, I'm not gonna quit. And that's the only option, that's the only choice. If you wanna win in this market, this is the time that you pay the most attention. This is the time that you are in the market. This is the time that you are positioning yourself for the next moves and making all the way back to the top. Okay, that's what I wish for you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.